guys, on our first ride of the day. This is Flagermusen.
Alright, I've been seeing a lot of trains.
Reverchon WILD Mouse.
Alright, I've already seen a lot of trains spinning like crazy on this thing, so I'm pretty sure we're going to get the same treatment here. Let's see what happens.
This setting here is absolutely fantastic. The forestation here is amazing. This is such a great park so far. Not the motor. He's trying.
He's trying.
Wild Mouse number 20,000 of this trip, so these are fun. Whoa! Well, let's check it out.
So it looks like we don't start spinning here.
Whoa!
The one at Project we started spinning immediately.
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, wait. Doink.
Wow.
Oh, 9.
Whoa! Alright, big drop. Oh, drop.
Oh, boy.
Whoa!
Oh, I'm like sliding all over my seat.
The mouse starts spinning, ready? This one doesn't go as fast as the one. Oh, God. No!
Oh, okay, we're already starting.
Oh,
oh no.
Whoa! It's actually really good, though.
Good start.
No!
Oh no. No!
Wow. Oh boy. Whoa!
Right, that held it back a little bit. Oh no. Oh no. Backwards.
Oh no. Oh, brace. No, it's on. Much tamer than the one at either.
Yeah, nowhere near as crazy.
For obvious reasons.
Yeah.
Oh! That's one of the